Okay. AFSCME is picketing today in front of City Hall. They want more money. They want their raise and they want a signing bonus.
Because their contract's late.
The contract is late.
They haven't had a raise in 4 years.
Haven't had a raise in 4 years. And they're pissed. Honk at them, Win.
Hey!
Gonna be on Facebook.
No filming, no filming.
Guys, gonna be on Facebook.